girls. So here I am back in my basement room because I had a meeting after school today and I wasn't able to record a lesson from school. So here I am at home. It's dark. I'm sorry it's a little dark in here, but I did my best to lighten it up. So our snowshoe hare, like I talked to you about yesterday, are being a bit elusive right now. What I mean when I say elusive means that they're not letting us know that they're there. I know they're there, and I think they know that we're looking for them, and they're just kind of staying hunkered in. They don't want to be found, so they are being elusive. They're staying away, but eventually they're going to have to come out, and we're going to capture some really cool footage of them on the trail cam that I'll be able to share with you. And then we're going to take some time really checking out their prints and seeing where their little dens are and all of that stuff. But until then, we're going to have to wait a little while. And I thought, I wasn't really going to start this until next week, but I thought, tomorrow we can do the math activity that I had planned for next week, and then Friday we'll have building day anyway. So it'll be a good way to get us started with teen numbers. Yes. So I have talked to you in morning message about a couple of new math terms this week. One being the plus sign, the other being the equal sign, and the term number sentence. Like this is a number sentence. If you have three girls online plus one Zachary who's joining you online for a little while, how many remote learners do I have? Well, what's 3 plus one more? 4, right? So that's a number sentence. And we're going to be doing a lot more with number sentences and the equal sign and the plus sign in the future, but we're also going to start learning about teen numbers because they're tricky. Now you might be saying, what is she saying? Teen numbers, what is that? The teen numbers are the numbers from 10 to 19, okay? Say 10 to 19. What are those numbers? It's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Those are the teen numbers. We are already really good at counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are the numbers before, okay? And then after that, we start counting in the teen numbers. And really all it is just you're just counting to 10 again. You're just saying different words, okay? Because that's what counting is. Counting is counting to 10 all the time. You just say different words, okay? So this you have at home. You probably don't, I think you just have a blank 10 frame at home, right? And you can put some pennies in it to fill it up to show your group of 10. I didn't want to tape pennies to a blank one, so I just got one that was already filled in, okay? And so what a teen number is, it's all about the group of 10 and some more. So let's count these dots just to make sure that we have 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? This is a group of 10. Okay? You are a group of remote learners. Right now, this week, I have 4 remote learners. You are my group of remote learners. I have 11 students in the classroom. They are a group of 11 classroom learners, okay? We put things and people into groups, okay? It makes it easier for us to count. So this is a group of 10. So when I want to say a number, I'm just going to say 10. Right? I can use my equal sign here and say that this is the exact same thing as saying this. And that is what a 10 looks like in case you didn't already know. All right? That is a 10. All right? Now these numbers mean something. All right? This first number here on the left, because remember, we're always thinking left to right, okay? This first number on the left is telling you how many groups of 10 that we're dealing with, right? Well, I just told you how many groups of 10 we're dealing with. I only have one group of 10 here. I just have one of these pieces of paper. Just one, okay? There's not two, it's just one. And on this piece of paper, it is showing me that I have one group of 10. I could say this is like my one classroom group of kids, right? And give each dot a name. But it's my group of 10, and I have one of them, okay? And then this number is saying, well, how many more dots do you have? Well, I have no more dots. I have one group of 10 and 0 more dots. Now, what I can do is I can add another 10 frame here to kind of illustrate that. Okay, so I'm just going to draw, look, my little blank 10 frame. You see that? So right now I have one full 10 frame, and then I have another one that has 0 dots in it. Okay? But now I want to change this a little bit. Okay? This is called the hide 0 game. All right? So let's say I added a dot here. Woo, I added a dot. So still, how many groups of 10 do I have? One. I have one full group of 10. But how many more dots do I have? Oh, I have one more dot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the 0 because it's not 0 anymore. I've put a dot there. I added one. So now that changes my number. One group of 10 and one more dot makes 11. That's the next number in our counting sequence. It goes 10, 11. Ignore these little, actually I won't even put there, I'll just put big spaces. Sometimes those little commas confuse kids. So, 10, 11. You might already be saying in your head, oh, I know what's next. 12 is next. Okay. Because you guys know how to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So you might already be saying 12 is going to be next. 12 is going to be next. Well, let's add one more dot and find out. Ready? I added one more dot. I still have my one full group of 10. But now, how many more dots do I have with my 10? Right. Exactly. And so what am I going to do? I'm going to turn that 11 into a 12. That's a 12. One group of 10 and 2 more. Right? So now I can put my 12 here. So now you might be saying 13. I hope you're saying 13 and not 13. Don't bite your lip when you say this number. Bite your tongue. 13. Okay? So how do I make a 13? Well, it's one group of 10, of course. Let's add one more dot. 13. Okay? So now you're getting the idea here. I'm going to cover the 2 with a 3. Why a 3? Because I have one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3 more. One group of 10 and 3 more. This number together is now 13. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, you're getting the idea now. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add another dot. Every time we add one more, our number gets bigger. 13 becomes 14. Okay? One group of 10. That's what this number means. One group of 10. And how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. That's 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is it going to be? The hardest one for most kids to remember. It's my cool guy, fifth. 15. I call him fifth. 15. Right? Add one more dot. Look at that. I have one group of 10 and 5 more. 10 and 5, 15. Okay? 10 and 5 is 15. So now I'm just going to keep going with this pattern. I'm going to add another dot, which means I'm going to, now I have 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, right? Not including my group of 10. Right? I'm going to hide the 5, make it a 6. Now I have 16. One group of 10, 6 more. Okay? I heard you say it. After 16 comes 17. One group of 10, 7 more. So this is 16. This is 17. I'm going to have to return sweep. Let me add another dot. Let me add another number. Now I have one group of 10, 8 more, 18. 18. All right. Let's add another dot. See that? Add another dot. Add another number. One group of 10. 9 more. 19. Now this is where it gets interesting because now we've just gone through all of the teen numbers. Okay? Just gone through all of the teen numbers. I have one empty box there. Just one. I'm going to fill it in. Let's see what happens. Oh no. Guess what? Now I have 2 groups of 10. Everybody say, oh no. 2 groups of 10. This number's not right anymore. It's just not. That was cool when I only had that. And some more, but now I have 2 full groups of 10. What am I going to do? I have to change that number. It can't be 1 anymore because now I have 2. So I have to change that number to a 2. And then guess what else I got to do? I have to make another 10 frame. Okay, so here's my 2. One group of 10, 2 groups of 10. I wonder what number is this? What number is this? 0. Yes. There's no dots in that. So all of those gotta go bye-bye. Now it's right. 2 groups of 10, 0 more, 20. Say 20. And now it's going to be the same pattern all over again. This is going to be 21. 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10. And I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I'm just showing you how the pattern just repeats itself. 2 10s, 2 10s, and 1 more. 21. 22. 2 groups of 10s, 2 more. That's how counting works. You're just counting to 10 over and over. Now I'm at 22. But we're really going to focus on the teen numbers. I just wanted to show you that after 19, counting doesn't stop. We just get another 10. Actually, every time you count to a 9, 29, 39, 49, 59, you're just going to create another 10. You're just going to fill in another one of these. So, where's my eraser? I haven't been down here all week. Okay, so teen numbers. The first number in a teen number is telling you how many 10s do you have full. We have 1 full, 1 10. And then the second number is telling you how many more. Well, in this case, what's showing on our board, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. So this is the number 19. Okay? If I take this backwards a little bit, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to go right to 10 here. I'm going to remove this because I want to be able to show you without confusing you. This is 10. This is 10, right? This is 10. This is 10. I take it away. This goes away because now I don't have one group of 10 anymore. It's only 9, right? 9. I take another one away. We're counting backwards now, right? 9. That's 8. Take another one away. What do I have? 7. Take another one away. 6. Take another one away. 5. Take another one away. 4. Take another one away. 3. Take another one away. 2. And take another one away. 1. 1. 1. And if I take that away, I take them all away. 0. Okay? I put 1 back. I've got 1. 2. 3. Oh, yeah. I'm ahead of myself. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10, 10. There you go. And then, once you get to 10, you're in those teen numbers again, right? I'm not going to do the whole thing. But I do want you to see how we just counted backwards and forwards. There's one group of 10 and 0. One group of 10 and one more is, ripped my tape off of this one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I want to show you one last thing before I let you go. If I erase all of these ones, watch what's going to happen. Okay? I'm going to erase all of these ones. Watch. Let's get rid of that one altogether. Look at what we've done. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next one is 10. We can write teen numbers now. We got to put one group of 10 and one more, 11. One group of 10, two more, 12. One group of 10, three more, 1, 2, 3, 4. See? You're just counting to 10 over and over again. You're just saying different names. Each number has its own name. Okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are the trickiest numbers for you guys to remember how to count and to identify. Because they have weird names. 11, it should be 1 teen, right? And 12 should be 2 teen, and 13 should be 3 teen. It would make so much more sense, but they didn't do that when they created numbers. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Practice counting that. Count from 1 to 15 over and over again until you've got that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sequence down pat, because it's super important. And then usually after 15, you guys remember 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, because you're saying 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And then you're just adding teen to it. 16, 17, 18, and you can count, 6, 7, 8. It's that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 that's hard to remember. So practice that. That's teen numbers. I'm going to put a little teen number activity on Seesaw for you to practice. Remember, it's just that one group of 10. It might not look like a 10 frame. It might actually be like a 10 stick with 10 blocks in a stick like this. My drawing is terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But that's still a group of 10. Okay? This is a group of 10, just the same that this is a group of 10. You can have 10 of anything in a group and call it a group of 10. You can have 10 pennies. You can have 10 crayons. You can have 10 paper clips, 10 scoops of ice cream. It's still a group of 10. Okay? As long as you have that group of 10 and then some more. Here's a group of 10 and here's one more. Well, that's one group of 10 and that's one more. That's the number 11. If you don't believe me, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? All right, so look for that activity on Seesaw, and I will see you later.